The first thing you need to know about the kettlebell swing is the hip hinge. Practicing the hip hinge can do wonders for your kettlebell swing. So here I'm karate chopping my hips. And next, you want to practice the deadlift. So you're gazing straight up at the horizon, finding a second gaze point as you hip hinge and practicing your deadlift. Next, we want to learn how to position ourselves in that tripod stance. So you step back from the kettlebell. Then step 4 is to hike past the kettlebell. So I like to think of touching a target behind me as I hike past the kettlebell behind me, sometimes called skipping over the snake. Then you can move to the dead stop swing. And this is one of my favorite ways to practice the continuous swing, or before you practice the continuous swing. This is another view of the dead stop swing. So it's just one at a time instead of continuous kettlebell swings. And then it'll give you tons of information for these continuous kettlebell swings that are a bit shallower than the dead stop swing because you don't have to put it down each time. Hinge at the hips, park the kettlebell down.